The instructions guide you to categorize the data by broad industry groups following the 2SIC industry classifications published by the McKimmon Center for Extension and Continuing Education at NC State University. Drag a second formula tool from the preparation menu until it makes a connection with the formula tool from Step 1, Part 6C. A common workflow choice is whether to use the same formula tool for all calculations or whether you should use multiple formula tools. A basic guide is to use a unique formula tool for each separate task. This helps isolate errors should you make any and helps reviewers understand and review data transformations. Of course, if your reviewer prefers more or less tools, then you should conform to the reviewer's expectations. Click the drop-down arrow and choose the option to add a column. I'm going to be demonstrating the process of creating a binary variable that identifies a broader industry group with the broad industry group C. This industry group is not available for you to use, and again, this is intentional so that we may demonstrate the processes required to complete the case without revealing the solution. We're going to enter a formula, so click FX. Expand the conditional menu and choose the option for if C, then T, else F, and if. Let's start with our condition. Replace C with 2SIC, and then do greater than or equal to and enter your industry group base, the lowest 2SIC number for your particular industry group. Type and, open up another bracket, select 2SIC again, and then do less than or equal to, and enter the cap or highest 2SIC for your particular industry. Replace T with 1, and then replace F with 0. Remember, we converted our 2SIC into a numeric data field so that we could perform mathematical operations such as greater than or less than on that field. To put this formula into plain language, this formula tells Alteryx to create a binary variable which takes a value of 1 for all companies whose 2SIC is between 15 and 17 inclusively. The data preview tells us whether the first row of data has a 2SIC in industry group C. Let's add a label to our formula tool. Don't forget to save and run your workflow. After running your workflow, you could click on the output anchor and scroll over. In the results window, you can sort your results and verify that your binary variable is 1 for all of the 2SICs in your broad industry group. The next step is a challenge step. You're going to want to limit your data to observations in your broader industry group.